All right, now how to set the height of your your Hart mower, I guess. We'll stick strictly with this one. Hit this little knob here. Nice little number system, 1.5 inch, 4 inch. So you can go down as far as 1.5 inch and up as much as 4 inches. Okay. Try to keep mine right in the middle, just because I'm a glass half full kind of guy. So, I don't know. Anyway, just like driving an old car, the standard. Pull that out away from the machine, push her down, push her back in, and then that'll put it down to the 1.5 inch. Slide her back out, and then pull her back, and slide her into the notch. That'll drop her up to 4 inches. So probably 1/2 inch each one. I'm not counting them and doing the math. I'm just gonna say 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4. Okay, so a little bit less than 1/2 inch for each one, but because there's an extra spot there. So 3 inches, you're right around the middle. Tell you just the height.